All right, let's do a quick ingredient rundown. So we've got oats, we've got cashew butter. I made this one myself from roasted unsalted cashews, but you can also use a store-bought one. We've got coconut oil, maple syrup, whole cashews, also roasted and unsalted. You can use unroasted, those will work as well. The flavor just won't be as rich. And then you can also use salted cashews. Just make sure to not add as much salt to the rest of the recipe. And then speaking of salt, the last ingredient is sea salt. All right, let's get started. All right, let's check. Ooh, look how smooth and delicious this looks. You could actually use this, you could stop with this recipe right now and just use this as a vegan caramel sauce if you wanted on like ice cream or pancakes, whatever you want. It's delicious and it really does taste like caramel sauce. But since we are making some little oat snack balls today, we will continue on. Okay, so now that we have everything in there, I'm gonna pop the lid back on, and this time instead of just turning the Cuisinart on, we're actually going to use the pulse button. This will help everything kind of come together, but it will still keep some of the texture of the cashews and the oats. The mixture looks like this. As you can see, there's still some texture and bits of nuts and oats in there, but it's a little bit smoother. And then also, it's still a little sticky, but when you go like this, it forms a nice little snack ball. Voila. So now like, I gotta go make a bunch of these with all this. BRB. Okay, taste test time. They taste like salted caramel.